Alrighty tubers, so we finally got my camera back. Bought some new batteries for it, some new rechargeables, and well, it only takes rechargeables, and a new charger. I lost one of my batteries and a charger. Don't know where they are. I haven't been able to use my good camera for a while, but hey, now I got it. We got some rims here for the Bug project. These front tires are shot. The rear tires are close behind. Just a quick lesson for you guys. If you look at your DOT number here, DOT, bunch of randomness, more, and then 245. On this tire, it being a 3-digit number on that last casting number, that would be 1995. The tire behind it's 96. Now once you got into the 2000s, you went with a 4-digit. As you can see, again, you've got your DOT numbers, blah blah blah. And you've got a 2611. That means the 26th week of 2011. So these back tires are getting pretty old as well. I slathered them down in some tire protectant type stuff just to make them look a little bit better for the time being. You can see how many cracks these front tires have. They're you can see the stuff coming out of them, but they're done. Those front tires are absolutely shot. They are holding air, which is a plus, because these are not. These front tires are, this one at least, is completely done. The other one holds air for about 45 minutes and goes flat. Same with the rear driver's side, right, or left side tire on this side. The one on this side was this spare. I'm wondering if it's the original spare, but it actually holds air. It's also cracked, but it does hold air. Let's see. That 1990 or 70? Once they get older, once they get into the 80s and 70s, I'm not sure how to read the codes anymore, but really you shouldn't need to know, because if you can't read the code, it's probably old enough to replace. So let's go ahead and get these tires on and see what she looks like after we get the new tires on there. Here's a quick shot of this side with the spare tire on the rear. Here's the shot of the driver's side with that mud on the rear side, also flat. These rear tires are the ones that are going on this, are 15s on the back, 14s on the front, same size as these tires on the front, but bigger, and they also space out slightly more. So let's get these tires on. So front tires are on there. I need to buy more of these guys, these specific type of lug nuts. And these rims are spaced out slightly even more than the front rims were. I thought they were going to be about the same. They are spaced out slightly more. Kind of cool. The front rims are made by USA Indy. The rear rims are made by Cobra, like Shelby Cobra. And I believe these guys, yep, these front rims, the ones that came on it, are also made by Shelby Cobra. Whether that is the actual, I believe it's the actual Shelby company, like Ford Shelby. And I don't know if they came on like something else, like a Ford product, or if the Shelby company just made rims back then. No idea. But you can see how the offset is on this one. Dish is slightly further in, and this one is just ever so slightly out. So I've got an option. I can put put tires on those rims and keep those rims. Then I'd have a full set of Shelbys. Or I keep these ones and stay with the look of them poking out slightly. You can see that well enough. Come on, camera. It's adjusting. What do you guys think? You like the look of it poking out slightly? Or should we set these tires in slightly and have the rear sticking out more? Well, let's get the rears on and we'll bring that subject up again. Alright, I am liking those rims. I do think I might go with the other rims that stick in just a little bit more. I don't know. How about what you guys think? Looks pretty good with those sticking out. They're pretty even with the rear. I really wonder how it would look if those were in just about an inch. But not bad. These rims have been spray painted. I don't know why you would spray paint an aluminum wheel silver, but they did. Eventually, once I get this thing really rolling around and I go to put new tires on it, I'll put it up on blocks, have these tires dismounted, and strip the paint off, polish them, and then have tires mounted on them. But until then, there we go. It's looking so much better than it did just by putting the tires and rims on it. It looks awesome. I really like the big wide back tires. They're wider than the stock tire, or not the stock tire, but obviously the stock tire. But it's a lot wider than that mud tire that was on there. I really like it. Heck yeah. Well, there's the most important part done. Tires and rims. Not really, but got to get a lot more done on this Bug. But we got tires put on now. Tires and rims. Believe one of the back tires has a really slow leak, which it's alright. It's not that bad. Like I said before, I also need to get more lug nuts. I found these lug nuts once online when I was just kind of looking around, didn't really understand what they were. Now I understand what they are, and I need them, and I can't find them. It's just how it goes. But yeah, I'm liking the stance too. It's picked that rear end up quite a bit. I am digging that. Heck yeah. Especially with the big tires in the back. There's a possibility of going a little bit taller with these. I don't know if I will though, because these fit really well in the wheel well. It's nice to have a big tire on the back of these because these are a 4-speed and not geared the best for the freeway. So the bigger the tire, the lower the RPM on the freeway. Probably, lose a little fuel mileage, but win some, you lose some. I really, really, really like these tires though. I think they look really good. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan. Well, till next time, Tubers. Have a good one.